We're gonna learn and how to loop through two lists in Python. The code is very simple. We're gonna do a simple loop that iterates over the two lists using the zip function. So we have a variable called people, that's a list of people's names, and we have another variable called the books read, that's a list of number of books they have read. What we're doing here is creating a key value pair by zipping two lists together, and we're going to loop through it making the key value pair, and then simply say that the key, that is the person's name, has read X number of books, and in case they have not read a book, this is an if else statement which says that if the value, which means the books read, remember the key refers to the people, the list of the people, and the value is the values in the books read list. So we just simply loop through that and we tell it how many books somebody has read or not read. This code goes through each person in the people list and checks the corresponding value in the books read list. If the number of books is read as 0, it prints a message indicating that the person has not read any books. Otherwise, it prints a message stating that the number of books the person has read, whatever the value is. And note here that you are converting the value into a string because value is a list of integers, so you have to convert it to concatenate in the print statement. You have to convert the vals to string value. Thanks for watching. Continue watching for more quick tips and videos on Python.